Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find your Facebook user ID and username. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Facebook app. Then go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on the top left corner, and then scroll, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Then tap on account center, tap on profiles, choose your Facebook profile, tap on username, and there you go. You will find a username right over here, and you can change it if you would like and wait for the available one to come up. And once you're done, tap on done at the bottom. There you go. You can also check out your name, which will simply be visible likewise in the profile as well. But that's it. That's all you need to do. That's all. You just have to go through the account center and the username profile section, add the username, and there you go. Your username will be there, and that's it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.